Okay, write the formulae for each of the following molecules. Which ones are isomers? So the formula for one of these things is just the total number of atoms that are in it. So for the condensed structures, this is really easy to do. You go through this and you go, okay, carbon, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. Hydrogen, I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The formula for butane is C4H10, and we kind of knew that already. So very straightforward there. Similarly here, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 4 carbons. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, really simple to do when you've got the condensed structure. If you have a line structure, there's more work to do. So I'm just going to duplicate what they have there a little bigger. They've given us this. So we have to turn this into a condensed structural. Remember, the end of every line represents a carbon atom, unless you specifically say it's something else. So we have carbons at all those corners, and we know there's a carbon here because they told us. From that, we can already see this is C4 something, but now we have to figure out the hydrogens. They told us there's 3 there. This carbon has 3 bonds in use, so it can hold 1 hydrogen, 2 bonds, 2 hydrogens, and 2 bonds, 2 hydrogens. So our total count for hydrogen would be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on this last thing over here, ethyl cyclopropane, again we have a triangle, and then we have an ethyl group coming off it, like so. So each of these corners is a carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our formula is C5 something. And now we count hydrogens for a bit. 2 bonds, 2 hydrogens. 2 bonds there, 2 hydrogens. 3 bonds, 1 hydrogen. 2 bonds, 2 hydrogens. And on the end, unsurprisingly, 3. Total hydrogens, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we've got the formulae for each of these molecules. Which ones are isomers? Do you remember the definition of an isomer? When I brought it up, I talked about Lego bricks. I actually don't remember how Les explains this, but my version is if you can make 2 things out of the exact same Lego bricks, those things are isomers. And in chemistry, that means if you can make 2 things out of the exact same atoms, then they are isomers. So all it means is things with identical formulae but different shapes. Methyl cyclopropane is C4H8. You can take those exact same 4 carbon atoms and 8 hydrogen atoms, and you could also arrange them into but2ene. So methyl cyclopropane and but2ene are isomers. Different shaped, but made with the same pieces.